Hello everyone. Do you also experience pain and stiffness around your shoulder joint that makes your day-to-day life activities difficult? So you might be suffering from a condition called frozen shoulder. Myself Dr. Disha, physical therapist at Serensa Health. Today I am going to enlighten about a shoulder condition known as frozen shoulder. So frozen shoulder, also known as adhesive capsulitis, in which the capsule of the shoulder joint becomes inflamed and that results in pain, stiffness and limited range of motion of the shoulder joints. So what can be the causes of frozen shoulder? So first cause, it will be the overuse and repetitive motion that leads to pain and stiffness. The second one can be due to immobilization, which occur in the cases of in shoulder fractures. The other one is metabolic conditions or diabetes and hypothyroidism disorders that increases the chance of frozen shoulder from about 10 to 38%. So here are some exercises that you can do at your home to gain your mobility and strength. So the first exercise we are doing is the flexion and abduction movement of the shoulder. So first, suppose you have affected shoulder is right side, then you have to put your right leg first and then put the hand on the wall and you have to just make the sliding movement up